Hello, so last time we made this bingo card generator. I talked to my friend about it and he used it and tested it and said that last time on the previous version he used it to use the save as image on the bingo card, so he was trying to find that, but now the bingo is made with HTML tables and they cannot be saved as, so I'll try to fix that today so that there is option to use Canvas also along with the tables, so there will be a new checkbox to use Canvas. At least I will try to make it so. So first thing is to back up the current version. I will use that. I will use this container. I will back up the container on the Proxmox, so we get full backup of the container. The bingo and other websites are there. Also, I will add some localization to it, at least Finnish language, since it's my native language and English. So basically this is prompting Cloud Code to make those changes and see if it can make those changes. So let's connect to the host Visual Studio. And there is the Cloud Code. There is no Cloud ini file here, I think. It's just Cloud settings, so I will first start with the init. So Cloud Code will create the file for it. Still it's generating. Okay, now it's okay. Error is about mailing. So let's start writing the prompt. We want to make it multi-language. I think it's /n or /v for the languages, and JavaScript will be handling the languages. But I would like it to be Finnish if the browser is Finnish, otherwise English. So this is the previous thing, and I will give this to Cloud since it has the Canvas functions. Let's do one thing at a time. After it has finished the Canvas, then let's do the multi-language. So now it created the Canvas version. So let's try it out. Just use parameter here, so it will load a new JavaScript. So we cannot select text and this looks like more graphical, so it is indeed using Canvas. But do we have the save as image here? There is save page. It cannot be saved this as image. So I tested with Safari, but Safari doesn't have the option to save as image on the Canvas, so I downloaded Chrome and I'm testing with that now. So let's copy the song list. Canvas is selected and it generates bingo cards. And now we have save image as. It seems to be okay. I cannot see the borders, so borders are visible here, so it looks correct. Try to print. I think this looks good. Of course, they look simple, but that's the point, to not use much ink. Now let's disable canvas rendering and try the HTML mode. Now we can select them. And printing looks okay. So that was quite easy to make, just one prompt, and we got from HTML tables to canvas. So next step is to add the Finnish translations, so multilanguage. So multilanguage is now done. Let's see what Cloud said. Fresh language detection system and selector. Complete translations for Finnish. Some styling. Let's see the console if there is some issues. There seems to be some issues. So it's not finding the file. Wonder why. Maybe there is wrong rights. So let's fix that ourselves. Other files have, those all files have root, so that should not be the issue. i18n.js. Seems it was permission issue. If you look here, the only root has read-write access. Index, for example, has read access for everyone, basically. So that was the issue. And it should work now. Ilmainen bingokorttien luontiohjelma. That kinda is okay, but not perfect. Free is still in English, but that's fine. So while we are it, let's do a lot more languages. Maybe Cloud can do that fast. I don't know. Okay, now Cloud is ready. So it was talking that it will add languages for lots of languages, but it in the end only added 6. I don't know why, but that's what it did. So let's see the result. Now we have different kind of language selector. And those seem to work. Of course, I have no idea if these are correct. So I asked Cloud Code about how the SEO works, and it notices that there is issue. Search engines will not find the translated content right away, so we need to create different files for each language. So I will ask it to generate different files. So it's taking some time to create these different versions for each language. And basically now this is not very easy to edit anymore. If I want to edit this, then I basically remove all these other languages and create the multi-language version again. So this is probably going to be the final version of this Bingo application, if there's no bugs. I think I will soon run out of Cloud tokens. This little update has been longer than the original version of this new Bingo. Cloud is ready. Let's check it out. Here we have the Finnish version. Check if this version has some Finnish on the meta tags. Yes, the description is Finnish. So probably it should work now. So let's do one final test that everything still works. Printing looks okay. Seems okay. And the HTML version. Looks okay too. So that's the updates for the Bingo application. Thank you for watching. Bye.